Guys, today we are going to go over one of my favorite campers on the lot. This is a 2023 Reflection 341 RDS triple slided camper that only weighs 11,000 pounds, so it's easily towable with any 3/4 ton on the market today. Y'all come on, check this out. So on this 341, space is of the essence because it's only a 36-foot camper. So you've got a full unobstructed pass-through with battery disconnect and motion sensing lighting on each side. It's got a full auto level system, so you hook up power once you get to the campsite, push a button, it takes care of the rest. Big 22-foot awning with LED lighting, outdoor speakers, and these more ride steps are a life changer. They're assisted steps, but you can fold them up, knock all the dirt off before you fold them into your coach. Y'all got to check out this interior. Go on ahead. All right, guys, so now we're inside the Reflection 341 RDS, and this is the ultimate space. So it's got a full double-slotted living room back there, but it's still a massive kitchen. Fully adjustable table. You pull it out, slide it side to side, whichever way you want to do it, so you can have a fully adjustable space. Get you a desk set up, get you a table and chairs, however you want to do it. So here in the kitchen, you've got a massive 16 cubic foot refrigerator. This has a full freezer on one side, full refrigerator on the other, LED lighting on the interior. That's by Furrion. You've got a 3-burner stovetop with an oven, huge microwave, and then back here in the living space, this is where it's at. So each side of these couches fold down as dual opposing sleeping. Then you've got the Thomas Paine heated massaging recliner matched up with a 46-inch fireplace and a 50-inch TV. This thing's absolutely loaded out. So this camper's fully set up with an own private little island for your sink. You've got the Furrion solid surface countertops matched behind a full stainless steel sink. It's a farmhouse undermounted style. Pull out adjustable spray, but then you've got all the cabinet space that you need to store anything. Got cabinetry on the top, cabinetry on the bottom, and a little spot for your dish soap and everything else. So one of the coolest things in this Reflection here is actually the bathroom. So you've got a 42-inch shower. It's a massive one-piece shower with a seat, true porcelain toilet, and then you also have a tankless hot water system on all new Reflections. So whatever temperature you want it to come out of the faucet, you just dial it up to that temperature and that's what it'll be. So featured in this Reflection is a full bedroom slide. So you get the king-size bed, the big wardrobe dresser, and then the massive walk-in closet. On this closet, you have washer and dryer hookups on either side, but you don't have to give up any of your space to be able to use them either. Guys, this 341 RDS is the perfect camper. It's got all the living space that you could possibly need without having to give up any of your space to have the bunkhouse. It still has all the beds that you could use to go anywhere you need to go.